Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute. You give us a few minutes and we're going to give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. One of the fastest growing technology companies in the world and the fastest growing among the Cloud Wars top 10 major vendors is Google Cloud. I had a great conversation recently with Thomas Kurian. I want to tell you a little bit about that. You can see more on that in a podcast episode that's available on the Cloud Wars site, and also an article today that'll go into some detail about it as well. But Thomas and I talked about a number of fascinating things: data, innovation, the upheaval that's going on in industries. And as always, he provided a fascinating blend of both the technological insights that he understands. And, after all, when he was at Oracle for 20 plus years, he was in charge of all software product development. So he gets that. But Thomas also has a brilliant business mind and understanding how industries work and the major things that customers dealt with. And that was really a big chunk of our conversation. But a few things I wanted to point out from this. Thomas talked about this need for all businesses and all industries today to master 5 capabilities. Be best in your industry at handling data, be the best in your industry with technology and software skills, cybersecurity, and a couple of other key points there along those lines. We talked a lot about co-creation, and Thomas gave a number of examples about how that is such a powerful force now. The domain expertise of customers and of businesses and their knowledge of their customers, what they have to do, how their industry works, how they want to change, and then the engineering capabilities that Google Cloud can provide. And some of the things clearly Google Cloud is learning as it deals with companies in every industry. We had a great conversation about some specific customers, from CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, Ford, one of the world's largest smartphone vendors, and also IKEA. So really some interesting subjects there, all around data innovation, moving toward new categories. And also this big thing now that it's time for all businesses to look at the cloud less in terms of cost cutting and efficiency, right? That's fine to have those, as we've talked about before. But the big thing is, how do you grow? How do you innovate? How do you move in a more powerful position within your industry, and you're moving at the speed of your customers? And finally, a big part of the conversation that Thomas wove in and out throughout it was the value of data, and also this ongoing and massive upheaval in industries. Every sort of company using data to create new products and services, using data to refine the existing products they have, using data to establish new relationships with customers, to be able to be faster in how they operate, create new products, and ultimately dazzle their customers. So it was a wonderful conversation with Thomas. Hope you'll enjoy that, and I hope you have a fantastic day today. Thanks for being with us.